always wondered, are we saving on rollies? If so, how much? So I'll attempt to compare different combinations and sizes with the ready-made one. So here we go. I'll begin with a small white paper and short slim filter. So I poured over the tobacco and got ready to roll. I kept rolling and rolling until they started to pile up. It took me a long while. And finally, after 2 hours of rolling, I was done. The short slim filter and small paper produced 83 cigarettes. Here are the numbers. Now I'll try the other size. Here we go. This time, the thick filter and long paper produced 61 cigarettes. Here are the numbers. Wait, I had a feeling someone would ask that. What if I use the thick short filter and small paper? I actually wondered that myself. So I tried that too. Rolling time. Here you go. 50 grams worth produce 64 cigarettes. You have the numbers. So here we have it, all three sizes compared to the regular one. Let me know what you think in the comments.